สวัสดีครับผู้ฟังทุกท่านยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่รายการของผมรูดี้ Hello and welcome to Vowel which is part of Thai letters. We will first see how the vowel is written. We will then have a look at pronunciation and practice a little bit. We will see examples of representations of the vowel, and in the end you will be presented with a couple of exercises that are very helpful in order for you to practice the vowel not only written but also orally. I recommend to see the vowel's introduction first before you actually start with this lesson. Now, within the wheel of vowels, we will have a look at the long vowel within this lesson. And you can always refer back to the lesson pronunciation or articulation of vowels if you want to know more or if you want to reassure yourself about the utterance of a certain vowel. But this lesson deals with the long vowel, which is represented on this card. Okay, let's first see how to write the vowel. You start on top and go down all the way to the bottom. So basically, ah. You can practice this on your own, either on an extra sheet of paper, or you can also, of course, download the exercise material where you will have plenty of opportunity to basically write the vowel within the exercise sheets. Okay, let's have a look at how to pronounce or practice a little bit pronunciation of this long vowel. I'll speak first, and whenever the vowel turns red, you say it after me. Ah, 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 ah. Very good. Now let's try and combine it with a couple of consonants that we've already come to learn over the past couple of whatever time it is. And here is an array of middle class consonant that you should be familiar with if you follow the structure of Thai letters, of course, the playlist Thai letters. And the first example would be ga gai, ga gai. And if we combine this with the long vowel, which basically means to replace the stress mark or the placeholder mark with the ga gai letter, we end up with the syllable ga. And now I would like you to speak after me. Ga. Very good. Second example. Here we have the consonant da dan, da dan. And if we combine this or replace it or put it at the position where the placeholder mark is or the placeholder stress, we end up with the syllable da. And now I again would like you to speak after me. Da. Very good. The third example combines da de with or with sara ending in the syllable da. You can speak it after me. Da. Quite straightforward, and the next syllable is da dao, da dao, combined with the long vowel, leading to the syllable da, da. Excellent, and you can now feel, hopefully, the difference between da dao plus sara and da de plus sara, so the two syllables which are now right on top of each other. The first one is very soft version. The one on top is softer, da, and the one below it is harder, da. So the difference between da and da, da, da. Okay, now the next example is ba by mai plus sara, leading to the syllable ba. Great. And the last example, ba bla plus sara, leading to a syllable that we call ba, or that we speak ba, ba. And again here with the last two examples you have a difference between a soft and a hard initial consonant. So ba and ba, ba, ba. I'm exaggerating a little bit of course now, but in order to practice it is very helpful to actually focus on the strength of pronunciation. So I read through the list again from top to bottom, only the syllables to the right. So ga, da, 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 ba, and ba. You can practice this on your own and then continue with the exercise sheets or whatever you like. Now, let's see examples of how this long A vowel is represented within different writing fonts and styles. Here are a couple of examples. There are many more that you'll find within newspapers and whatever books you open, or even on the internet. And let's see if we can actually find these A vowels within writing fragments. This first example contains two long A vowels within writing that are circled with these red circles. A second example would be this fragment where you have A vowels in the first line. A third example could be here where you see a long A vowel being written. And a fourth example with a couple of A vowels in it. Okay, now what follows is a fragment of text within which you should now be able to recognize all the A vowels and maybe make a print screen and circle them or note down where you find the different A vowels, and also another text fragment in blue down there and a black one within which you can now try to find the A vowel. Before you continue, make sure that before you continue watching the video, of course, make sure that you've solved this exercise and you're ready to continue, because now, attention, the solutions are about to be displayed. Okay, within the first text fragment we have plenty of A vowels that can be found. In each line there are quite many. And what you can also observe is that many of these A vowels actually appear within the same word, which is pasa. So right after each other, when we have two after each other, it's pasa, which means language in Thai. So there we have always two following each other. Okay, but also in the other text fragments in blue, we have a couple of A vowels, and in the black one as well. Now, I hope you managed to do this, and if you need actually more opportunity to practice, then go to www.thailanguageprogram.com, where you can sign up for a free membership of the Forum Access and then automatically download these exercise sheets. One where you actually learn how to write on this exercise sheet, or to actually put it within gaps of a text. And another one will be writing syllables, and a fourth one will be an audio task where you have to listen to an audio and then write down the syllables that you hear from the audio. Okay, I hope that helps with practicing, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing you in next lesson, which will be on the long E vowel. So click right there in order to access that lesson. Okay, with that, I'll leave you to the exercises, and I hope to see you again in next lesson. ขอบคุณนะครับที่กดไลค์แล้วที่แชร์วิดีโอของผมรู้ดีแล้วหวังว่าเราจะได้มีโอกาสเจอกันอีกในบทหน้าครับสวัสดีครับ